Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own guild on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the Friends tab at the left side within the main menu. Within this section, you will also see the guild banner. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the Create a Guild option. Just click on this option, and now you will be able to choose the details for your guild. Just enter your desired guild name and then choose a tag for your guild. You may also set a message of the day and choose your language as well as your region. Then choose whether it is an open or an invite-only guild. Finally, choose the required rank that you wish to set for your guild. And if you wish to have it open, then simply choose none. You can now enter the description of your guild and explain your purpose to whoever would wish to join. You also can change the appearance, such as the logo, the highlight color, the base color, and the pattern. After selecting all of these parameters, you can click on the Create Guild option, and now your guild will be created right away. And you can now start to invite your friends to join into your guild. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own guild on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.